Fox Christie sang about a thing called love. And it's how are you, kid, and what's your name, and how would you bloody know? Blood and death neath the screaming sky, I lay down on the ground. The arms and legs of other men, they scattered all around. Some cursed, some prayed then cursed, some cursed and prayed some more. And the only thing that I could see was a pair of brown eyes that was looking at me. But when we got back labelled parts 1 to 3, there was no pair of brown eyes waiting for me. And a rove and a rove and a rove and I'll go. A rove and a rove and a rove and I'll go. And a rove and a rove and a rove and I'll go for a pair of brown eyes. For a pair of brown eyes. Me, I looked at him, all I could do was hate him. And Ray and Philomena sang of my elusive dream. I saw the streams, the rolling hills, where her brown eyes were waiting. And I thought about a pair of brown eyes that waited once for me. So drunk to hell I left the place, sometimes crawling, sometimes walking. A hungry sound came across the wind, so I gave the walls a talking. I heard the sounds of long ago from the old canal, and the birds were whistling in the trees where the wind was gently laughing. And a